Alright, so what's up, guys? I'm out here with my boy Danny White. Walk on this side real quick. Yeah. Miata. We're actually gonna be headed out to homeboy house to help him out with his slave cylinder.
By help? What do you mean by help?
Yeah, define help, right?
Yeah, we gotta define this helping technique.
This guy. It's Montel. Or Montel. He's like, it's an off brand of Modelo. It's like, fuck it. Shit.
Hey guys, trying to be sexy. Yeah.
So, made it to homeboy's house. It's hot. There's balls outside. Piece of shit Civic. Hey, so, Danny, what are we doing?
We are changing this guy's easy fix problem, which is a clutch slave cylinder.
I don't really like skinheads on my channel.
I'm not a skinhead.
I'm just messing with you. You know what's weird?
What?
If you look at this guy, right? He don't look like he belongs in a Civic.
What do I look like I belong in?
In a Harley?
Is that a rhetorical question?
No, it's a legit question.
Oh, damn.
Alright, as far as motorcycles, a Harley. As far as cars, I can see you in a
Pickup?
Saturn.
Oh, you're right, a Saturn.
A Saturn, really?
Yeah.
Saturn Sky. You know what that is?
No.
Or Saturn Ion. Look that one up.
Fuck.
It's good on gas though.
Yeah, but I mean, you do get the Ion red line.
I'm not touching a fucking piece of shit Saturn.
I mean,
I've had one.
have you?
Have you?
Yes, I have.
Which one?
What year?
LS.
Oh, those? I mean, they had a nice little motor in there.
It was a nice little motor, but
Wait. If you really had one, what kind of motor was it?
don't know. Don't work on it.
So how you know it was a nice motor?
I had it for 3 months.
So how you know it was a nice motor? Just because it drove good doesn't mean it's a nice motor.
Well,
Right.
it ran good.
All right. So is this a nice motor?
No.
Why not?
Why not?
Because I said so. Oh, I found a set of fenders, but they're red.
Hey,
They want
have
like
some
$100 for them.
to tie this up? Or I'm gonna lose all the fluid and I'm not
Alright, so we're supposed to be drinking
tape, anything.
cheap beer. This is
that's
called
not gonna
Montejo, off-brand
Por
Modelo.
pendejos es Montejo.
Montejo.
You got no tape, nothing?
Useless. When you're white and you can't afford tools.
Wait, which was mine? Which was yours?
Oh.
Mine.
So let me give you a tour of this piece of shit Civic. All right, so he has an SI front end.
Can you stop calling my car a piece of shit? It gets me from point A to, well, it was getting me from point A.
All right. Look, just when I call it a piece of shit, I don't really mean it's a piece of shit.
Okay, there.
That just means it's a piece of shit.
Yeah. All right. Hey, Jimmy, give me a breakdown on this build, since you know you built it.
I didn't build it.
So what's all going on here, man?
Come on, man. I want to hear this.
Right now, we just gotta fix it.
All right. As far as what you know about the car,
that's what we're here for.
What do you know about the car?
We're here to fix the clutch. Not give a downgrade.
White people can't figure out what they want. Hey, man. That's what happens when you try to kick people, especially black people. And you got the shorty person right there. Bro, your car's almost the same height as Danny. Like 2 separate blogs within the vlog. Alright, so I'm over here at homeboy house. It's the other homeboy, he's helping out. Jimmy inside. Jimmy!
Housekeeping!
Hey, so basically, for those that are trying to figure out, you know what?
This new one.
This is a new slave cylinder. What is the slave cylinder?
So the slave cylinder does, it helps put pressure to the actual forks to move the throwout bearing so you can actually engage the clutch. This is the gauge.
For those that don't, okay. If you drive a manual car, you understand what a slave cylinder is. For those that don't know what a throwout bearing is, what is that?
Throwout bearing is a piece that goes in front of the clutch. which also engages the splines itself to move it back and forth, so that way the clutch can engage and disengage from it actually moving.
Baby, so what would you say are symptoms of a bad or failing slave?
Bad or failing slave would be the fact that if you put it in gear, it's fine. Now, if you can't put it in gear and you can push the clutch and it doesn't engage, then you have no pressure. That's either or, but it's still hard to say that that's going to be the problem.
And that's what I'm going through right now.
Now, you're taking a guess, sir. I'm sorry.
No, but
you're going from an old Honda symptom that's a new motor to an old motor that is probably not the same system. But it's okay.
Alright, wait. So, in this case, what makes you think that what makes you feel like your slave system is going up? I'm actually doing
I have half pressure.
Right.
I have half pressure, and my clutch won't fully disengage to change gears.
Okay. So, what kind of motor is this?
1.6 VTEC.
Okay, so for the Honda people, this is the correct term. You have a D16 Y8. There is D16s that are not VTEC or D15 B7.
I'm a new Honda person, okay? Forgive me.
Honda fanboy. Alright, so guys.
Alright, so
this is the old one.
No. I am not a Honda fanboy.
Yes, you are.
Alright, calm down. Alright.
You know, if you ever had a problem, it wouldn't have shot out. You're gonna go fine. It shoots out. So this is probably not the problem. I'm gonna replace it for you, but that still gets pressure.
Hey, you know, so for those with D series, how do you take out what do you need to take it out?
All you need is an 8mm open end wrench, and all you need is a 12mm. You could either have a short. I would advise a short. If not, if you want to go the hard way, remove the fan, the fan. That way you have enough room with the deep 12. That's it. Just 12 in this. And for the most people, dot 3 would work. But rather keep some actual genuine Honda shit, like Honda genuine clutch fluid. It works a lot better. It helps out in the long term. Stop drinking my shit, man!
No, I just brought a new one now.
Yeah, it's over there.
Where?
Somewhere over there, because like one of these is mine. Yeah. Here.
Oh shit. Alright, so next thing's next. So basically after you do a slave cylinder, or once you do any kind of clutch work, it's just like you're doing your brakes. You have to bleed the system. If you don't bleed the system, you get air pockets. Air pockets, you can fuck up the system. So I guess we're gonna show them how to do a bleed.
Yeah, we will. Let me put.
Hey man, look, I don't know why you flicking me off, man. First of all,
I'm sitting here in pain, man.
you want another beer?
Can someone grab me another beer?
Yeah, I got you. So what's up, guys? Kind of been drinking some Monte Health. So basically, what I'm about to do right now is my homeboy on his Miata. He already has a radio. He just picked up a sub. I don't know if y'all can see it. And he has an amp, so he wants me to go ahead and hook it up for him. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So for those that don't know how to do a system on their cars, that's pretty easy. So yeah, I kind of tell you, I kind of try to walk it through you, but yeah.